First PR package that I received in 2025. Now let's see what the jewelry pieces looks like. My first bangle comes from Sayabling Jewelry. Hello everyone! First of all, Happy New Year to each and every one of you. I hope that you've celebrated holidays with joy in your hearts, and I pray that this year will give us more opportunities, more blessings, and that this year will be finally good to us. So speaking of opportunities, I'm happy that you're with me right now because I'm going to share to you the first PR package that I received in 2025. So this package comes from a Birmingham-based jewelry brand that was founded in 2015. So the package that I'm talking about comes from the Sayabling Jewelry. So Sayabling Jewelry is a jewelry brand that specializes in designing and crafting affordable gemstones and jewelries. They sell different kinds of rings such as wedding rings, wedding bands, and engagement rings. They also sell bracelet, earrings, and different types of necklace, from vintage necklace to statement necklace that you see online. Their jewelry pieces is made up of 925 sterling silver with a lab-created gemstone. And you can specifically choose the size of the ring and the bracelet that you chose, and you can choose the chain length that you wanted for your necklace. So if you're interested in Sayabling Jewelry, I'll put a link in the description box so that you can see it yourself. And if you wanted to buy something or some jewelry pieces from them, then you can use the voucher or the code that I'll also put in the description box. And before unboxing this package, I wanted to thank Sayabling Jewelry for this opportunity. And thank you so much for trusting me to have unbox and review your product. Thank you so much, and without further ado, let's unbox this package. So right now, I have this dark blue paper bag of Sayabling jewelry. And before having this paper bag, meron pa siyang mga bubble wraps na talagang nagpa-protect sa package mo. So, you don't need to worry if you order online sa Sayabling jewelry. And inside this paper bag is the box. A large box that contains the jewelry pieces, and it has a ribbon saying best wishes. And then if you open this box, you can find another boxes, and then underneath these boxes is their cards. So their cards contains the jewelry care card, and sa likod nito nandito yung mga steps kung paano mo mapapangalagaan yung jewelry pieces mo. And the other card has their social media accounts and an exclusive voucher for those returning buyers. And now let's see what the jewelry pieces looks like. And I'm gonna open this one first. And as you can see, it is still protected by a white cardboard. And if you remove this cardboard, then you can see the box of the jewelry pieces. Their jewelry box is cushioned on the top, and it has a satin covering. And if you give it as a gift, then you would greatly appreciate this jewelry box. And when you open it, then you can already see the jewelry piece inside. So this is the one that I chose, and this is my first bangle. And my first bangle comes from Sayabling Jewelry. As you can see, there are so many gemstones, and it looks like a real gold. It has a hand sign, but I don't really know what does this mean, but I'll try to find what this symbolizes, because it would be really good if it symbolizes something. This is my first jewelry piece from Sayabling. And now, let's unbox the second one. Ang daming unbox. So again, it is protected with a white cardboard. And actually, Sayabling Jewelry is really generous for giving me 2 jewelry pieces. Thank you so much, Sayabling Jewelry. And then, now we're gonna open it. So this necklace is chosen by my mother because I wanted to gift her something, and eto na lang yung ireregalo ko sa kanya. And actually, you can choose a size of your bangle, and my bangle is 6.3 inches, and the chain length of this necklace is 23 inches. This is the longest chain they have. And since my mother wants this necklace, then I had to get it from Sayabling Jewelry. And it has a birthstone. Sabi niya birthstone daw niya is ganitong color, and it has a really lightweight chain, and of course the pendant is also lightweight given that it's kinda huge, but it's still lightweight. And as you can see, it will look good on dresses, and if you're going to a party or something like that, or some events like that, then it's really good to wear this kind of jewelry. For you to appreciate the jewelry pieces more, then I'm going to wear it, and I'm gonna show to you how it looks like when it's worn.
조용하게 음악을 틀어 이 노래가 혹시 너에게 방해가 될까봐 나는 조심하는 중이야. 될까봐 나는 조심하는 중이야. 내 어릴 적 꿈과 날 사랑한 사람 수 없는 별 아래 그림 같은 섬 하지만 이제 나 잠 못 드는 밤 인생은 동화가 아니라는 맘만 어디로 가야 하죠.
So as you can see, this is what the jewelry pieces looks like when it's worn. And now it's time for me to give my reviews about it. I will be honest for this, even if it's given by the Sayabling jewelry, I will still be honest about what I feel about their product. So first of all, let's start with their packaging. I really like that their package is secured with bubble wrap. And as you can see, the box don't have any deformation, given that I am from Philippines and this package comes from Birmingham. It's really good to see that the box isn't deformed or whatsoever. It is not damaged. So let us now move on to their paper bag. I don't really know if this is the official paper bag of Sayabling jewelry, but I don't like that their paper bag is too plain for this, and I would love it if they have a really more sturdy and their paper bag has a logo. But I like that they included a paper bag so that if you give it to someone, then you don't have to carry their bags like this and then give it to someone like that. Sayabling jewelry says to use a polishing cloth to restore the shine of jewelry, but they don't include any polishing cloth in the box, and I would greatly appreciate it if they put just one polishing cloth. So now let us move on to the jewelry boxes. So I love that each jewelry pieces comes with a jewelry box. So hindi ka na mahihirapan if ever na ipangre-regalo mo siya or whatsoever. And I like that it's cushioned and it's satin because it's giving more elegance to the jewelry. And I like that it's satin because hindi siya madaling nadudumihan unlike sa matte na jewelry box. So I will now give my honest review about this jewelry pieces. And honestly, upon thinking, I can think of any bad thing to say about these jewelry pieces because I really like it a lot. So first of all, let us start with the bangle. So this is the bangle, and I am thankful that I chose this one instead of any other bracelet because even if it's just a simple bangle, it also gives class and elegance. And I like that it has a lock so that hindi siya madaling mawawala. But okay, since I stated the lock, I remembered that medyo nahihirapan akong ikabit again yung lock because medyo manipis lang siya and medyo magalaw siya. Okay, but that's only for me. Overall, I like this bangle and I like that it suits me so well. Let us now move on to the necklace that the Sayabling jewelry gave to me. So even if I didn't choose it myself and my mom chose it since I'll give it as a gift to her, it is really good and you can still use it in your everyday life even though the gemstone is a bit big. There's many more that I wanted to say about Sayabling jewelry, but instead I'll give it a 10 out of 10 chef's kiss. I really like that they created a really elegant jewelry pieces for an affordable price. And I hope that you've also liked Sayabling jewelry, and if you wanted to buy, again, I'll put a link in the description box and you can use the voucher that I'll be giving. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you've had a great time, especially in the unboxing part because I've tried so hard to make that one. And I hope that I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Have a blessed year and bye-bye.